This weekly crop review is brought to you by ASR Group Belize Sugar Industries Limited.
February 15, 2015 marked the end of week 3 of the 2014-2015 sugarcane crop season. The report provided by the Belize Sugar Industries Limited shows that for week 3, which started on February 9th, the factory milled 52,632 tons of cane. So far, for the 3 weeks of crop, the factory has milled a total of 145,562 tons of cane. That is 2,827 tons less than what was milled last year, when the factory milled 148,389 tons of cane. Taking a look at sugar production, 6,186 tons of the sweetener was produced for week 3. For the 3 weeks of crop, a total of 16,322 tons of sugar has been produced so far. That figure supersedes the amount of sugar produced last year of 14,033 tons. For the 3rd week of crop, the factory worked at a grinding rate of 7,519 tons cane per day. For the 3 weeks of crop, grinding rate stands at 6,932 tons cane per day. Last crop, the grinding rate stood at 7,676 tons cane per day. The report on cane quality shows that for week 3, juice purity first expressed stood at 88.40%, 87.83% for the 3 weeks of crop, and 86.39% last year. For the 3rd week of crop, it took 8.51 tons of cane to produce 1 ton of sugar. For the 3 weeks of crop, TCTS stands at 8.92. Last year, it stood at 10.57. As for the sugar extracted from the cane, 95.26% was recorded this week, 95.08% for the 3 weeks of crop, and 95.15% last year during the same period. This week, factory time efficiency stood at 98.34% and 96.42% for the 3 weeks of crop, and 94.09% last crop. Of note is that BSI ASR is reporting that factory performance was very good, with 52,632 metric tons milled for the week. The overall recovery of 89.13% is a new record. A new record of 1,078 metric tons was also set for tons sugar made for a day. Most importantly, BSI is reporting that cane quality continues improving, resulting in a similar improvement in the TCTS ratio. Cañeros, cañeras, cuesta dinero crecer, cortar, cargar y transportar la caña de azúcar. No pierda su arduo trabajo a lo largo de los caminos y carreteras. Asegúrese de fijar firmemente su carga de caña en el camino a la fábrica.
This weekly crop review was brought to you by ASR Group Belize Sugar Industries Limited.